भूमिगत कक्ष का दरवाजा खुलते ही ठंडी हवा का एक झोंका उसके चेहरे से टकराया, जहां दर्जनों सर्वर रैक एक दूसरे के समानांतर खड़े होकर नीली और लाल बत्तियों की लयबद्ध टिमटिमाहट के साथ अपना काम कर रहे थे। यह वह कक्ष था जहां मालदीव के भविष्य का सौदा तय हो रहा था, जहां एक विदेशी अधिकारी, जिसे गुप्तचर रिपोर्टों में केवल एजेंट ली के कोडनेम से जाना जाता था, ने स्थानीय भ्रष्ट अधिकारियों की मदद से एक विशाल पनडुब्बी डॉकिंग सुविधा का नींव पत्थर रख दिया था। कबीर ने तुरंत अपनी जैकेट के अंदर से एक छोटा सा अत्यंत उन्नत डेटा एक्सट्रैक्शन डिवाइस निकाला और उसे मुख्य सर्वर के पोर्ट से जोड़ दिया। स्क्रीन पर तेजी से कोड्स की बाढ़ दौड़ने लगी, जो उस गुप्त परियोजना के हर पहलू को उजागर कर रही थी। यह केवल एक व्यापारिक बंदरगाह का विस्तार नहीं था, बल्कि यह हिंद महासागर में भारतीय नौसेना की गतिविधियों पर निगरानी रखने और आवश्यकता पड़ने पर उन्हें घेरने के लिए बनाया गया एक पूर्ण सैन्य जाल था। उस डेटा में उन जहाजों के नाम भी शामिल थे जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जलमध्य के नाम पर वहां गुप्त सैन्य सामग्री उतार रहे थे।
Welcome to TT Comics channel. We have made one tool for animation documentary maker tool in Google Flow AI. Copy tool link from description of video. And pin comment. Don't click other untested links in comment boxes. You will see Tribe of Tales icon on box. It is our official tool which is made for Google Flow AI. You can remix it if you have Google Flow Pro plans so you can customize it for your way. If you don't have, then not to worry, it is still working with limited users. Copy link from description and paste it in your browser where you have already logged in Flow AI. Open new project so you can confirm for try our tool by pressing enter. Then the screen will appear. Just click on try in a project and open that in this tool. So you have to generate your story as a documentary style. You can find many YouTube videos for it how to make documentary videos like AniDoc. You have to copy image style prompt and paste it in art direction and style for consistency. You can upload reference image instead of it below prompt section. Now you have to copy all character sheet prompt from your story and paste it in our lead part. We have given additional part for supporting character, environment details or world, and last one is key props using in your videos. If you are beginner, then avoid others and only focus on lead prompt means character generation prompt. Then you have to click story part on tab number 2 which is available near Bible. Then go your text story, copy it and paste it in our story box. Congratulations, your half part done. Now select your image model from Nano Banana Pro or Do or Imagine Jar. Then you have to choose Omni Flash for better result. If you want to choose other, then you can choose VO Fast or Quality. It is depend on you. VO Lite is not available for now. If 1000 likes received on this video, then we will upgrade it, and if you support it to reach out 500 subscribers, then we will add voiceover facility in this tool. Now you can click on Engineer Scene for generation of related prompts. Now tool will be analyze your story and generate prompts, so you have to wait for some time. Aaj bhai chai pai lo, abhi thoda video aur lamba khichega. I will provide some information regarding free video generation without watermark. So stay tuned with last moment. Now you can see here our image and video prompts generated here. Now you can generate images individually for better results. If you are in hurry, then click on Gen All button which is available below Engineer Scenes. Then wait for Generate All Images. If any image failed, then you have to click Redraw or Regenerate button for generate new image as per your choice. Now you have to see in video section at right side and click on Generate button for generation of videos individually. Now we have not given multiple video generation facility for this version because of AI credit limitation. If you people give full support us, then we will provide it in next version. For that you have to comment what feature you want in upcoming version. So we will segregate all data and provide best solution on this tool. Now you can see our result. You have to click on Download MP4 button and wait for download it. Then click Close for closing video box. See quality of video. In this version we have provided realistic videos only. For other style videos required, then you have to wait for next version. Or you can remix it and through agent you can add your video style. If you to learn how to do it, then comment for it. I will make another video on it if 25 comments received for that. This is my free account, so my daily 50 credits over in 7 videos. Luckily, I have finished task before credits overs. Now you have to click on Done button. Then our screen will open in Tools section. You can check all your videos in Video section and in All Media. In this you have Get All Media means images, videos and characters images. Check out Download project from 3 dots, click and download it. Zip file will be download. You have unzip it and use it for making video. You can combine all videos in Clipchamp and you can generate voiceover in it, which is free in this application. Check out example. भूमिगत कक्ष का दरवाजा खुलते ही ठंडी हवा का एक झोंका उसके चेहरे से टकराया, जहां दर्जनों सर्वर रैक एक दूसरे के समानांतर खड़े होकर नीली और लाल बत्तियों की लयबद्ध टिमटिमाहट के साथ अपना काम कर रहे थे। यह वह कक्ष था जहां मालदीव के भविष्य का सौदा तय हो रहा था, जहां एक विदेशी अधिकारी, जिसे गुप्तचर रिपोर्टों में केवल एजेंट ली के कोड नेम से जाना जाता था, ने स्थानीय भ्रष्ट अधिकारियों की मदद से एक विशाल पनडुब्बी डॉकिंग सुविधा का नींव पत्थर रख दिया था। If you have not sufficient credit for Flow AI, then now you have to open Autometa, Google Chrome extension for Meta AI video generation in bulk. You have add images from your saved location and type fast pacing animate in prompt box. Then you have click on Start button. Then automatically your image to videos process will begin. You have to wait up to finish it. Right-click on your generated video, then go on last option named as Inspect, click on it. One screen will open right side, where highlighted text shown just upper side to left mouse button twice immediately, so one link will be highlighted, then don't move mouse and click right button on mouse and go down open link. Just you have to click on it and you will be move on new tab. Now you can see video here. You to find three dots and click on it. One drop box will open. You have to click on download button. This downloaded video will not have any watermark and give high quality. Follow all instructions shown on screen. If you have issue, please comment. Our team will provide answer within job hours. This tool will be remixed by yourself by choosing Google AI plans. Geo users can be get pro plan and enjoy easy task. Thanks for watching up to the end. We have made for many other tools. If you have specific requirement, then we will try to generate that in Flow, Opal or Gemini Canvas. We are beginners, so we may wrong in anywhere, so please show us in our notice. Happy filmmaking.